Welcome to my channel Decode Data with SKD. Today one student came to me and he asked, sir, it is very difficult to know which method we have to use to solve linear programming problems. And this is the query of most of the people, those who are going for linear programming and operations research. So let me just clear you in very short period of time that which method you have to use in which particular situation. Normally, the method that we have to use depend upon two conditions. The first condition is the number of decision variable we have in our problem, and the second condition is the inequality sign in the constraint. So we normally have the constraint, so inequality sign we have to check in the constraint. Now suppose you have only only two decision variable in your problem. You can use graphical method irrespective of the sign in your constraint. So it can be greater than, it can be less than, it can be combination of both. You can use the graphical method if you have only two variable in your linear programming. Now the case comes when we have more than two variables, say 3, 4, 5, 6 variables. Now in this case we have to check the sign of the constraint. So suppose you have three variables and the sign in the constraint, the inequality sign in the constraints are less than equal to, we use simplex method, right? If you have more than two variables, 3, 4, 5, and the inequality sign is greater than equal to, we use big M method. And in the same situation, when the inequality sign is greater than equal to and three variables, we use two-phase method also. Right, so it means two-phase method can be used in place of big M method in case if you want. And the third condition is when you have more than two variables, and in case of inequality you have a combination, like you have less than as well as greater than. In this case again you can use big M method as well as two-phase method. Normally we will say that two-phase method is much better than big M method in this particular case. But you can decide which method you have to go for. Whether if you feel that two-phase method is easier than the big M method, you can use an two-phase method in place of big M method, right? So hope now you understand which situation we have to use which particular method. Thank you very much. I request you to please like this video, share with your friends, and subscribe my channel so that you will get all future videos on time. Thank you very much. Enjoy your day.